What do you want to do after football? After a long career in the NFL?
See, my goals growing up, I always wanted to be an entrepreneur. But as I got older, I was like, what is something more than an entrepreneur? Like, more than me just running my own business. So I came up with the idea, I'm gonna go back to Mexia where I'm from, and I'm just gonna literally pour into my whole community because it's never been much eyes on my community. And we got a bunch of young cats that got great talent out there. So I definitely wanna just go back to my community and pour into that. And then I really don't wanna work. Like after I'm done with ball, I wanna be able to just walk out in my yard and just throw bird food out. You know, like things like that. Like
You want a garden?
I want everything. Everything you can do when you're retired, I want to do it. Cause I'm still young. I'm only 20. Just turned 20 May. So if I just put in the overtime, just keep on grinding, it's gonna eventually pay out.